AkitaBox's preventive maintenance management was created to future-proof your facility maintenance by helping you not only get ahead of the curve, but stay ahead of it. Let's start at the organization dashboard. From the dashboard, you can quickly identify the work summary of the organization and individual team members, plus the active work orders and requests. The work orders and requests have been organized to allow quick access to your individual work orders, your organization's work orders, new and in-progress service requests. Next, you'll notice that we have provided you with the ability to quickly identify work that is overdue, whether it is reactive or preventative maintenance, and the critical information to prioritize which work to get done first. Every team member assigned to the work, the asset being serviced, the floor within the building it's located, and the due date can be easily identified by all users. Within a particular work order at the dashboard view, you can manage assignees, print out a copy for physical records, reschedule the work, log work, or complete the request. Preventive maintenance measures really shine in AkitaBox's maintenance schedules. Within a maintenance schedule, you have readily accessible space for instructions, descriptions, the general location information for the asset, and the schedule's frequency. You can also easily communicate with your team by adding a message in the recent activity section. When you're ready to complete any work orders that are open and associated with this schedule, head over to Open Work Orders. Click the work order you wish to complete, and get right to it. During your implementation with AkitaBox, our team will take the lead on helping you implement your initial preventative maintenance program based on your preferences or industry standards. As you build out your AkitaBox solution, you can easily add additional maintenance schedules for a more robust program. To create a maintenance schedule, go to the top right, click Add, New Maintenance Schedule, and fill out the form with the necessary information. Regular preventive maintenance is no longer a pipe dream with AkitaBox. AkitaBox. Learn more at AkitaBox.com.